going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Motor Rob here, and just want to give you a little update. And in case y'all didn't know, I haven't made any videos in the past couple months. A lot of that, nothing bad, no COVID, no nothing like that. Just been busy with work, and I've been out of town a lot, so when I go out of town, I can't take my bike with me, which sucks. But if I don't have my bike, I can't do a motovlog. So that's that. Plus, we had the holidays going on, and so if you can imagine being out of town around the holidays and then just getting back in just before the holidays, how busy that is. Christmas shopping, getting everything prepared, spending time with family, which is the most important part of the holidays. You know, Christmas, New Year's, especially this year, you know, or I guess you say last year now, because this is 2021, but 2020 was pretty rough for a lot of people, and it sucked. But I was blessed to be able to stay busy with work and everything. It just brought me out of town. So, you know, I'm still here. I'm gonna make more videos, and right now it's winter. It's January, but I live in Texas, so you know, this morning it was about 34 degrees, and yeah, it's about 65 degrees right now. It's real comfy. So anyways, you know how it goes, especially those up north that are not able to ride right now. If you get the urge to kind of get that sensation of riding, I've been doing a few series, if you're new to my channel, called Come Ride With Me. There's a bunch of videos I did during the summertime that's just me kind of taking some back roads and having a good time on the bike. Not a lot of talking, just cruising. So kind of gives you that sensation that you're riding your bike, even though you're not able to right now, which I know it sucks, because trust me, when I'm out of town, I want to ride and I can't. Alright, so anyways, I'm back in the saddle again, literally, and I'll be posting more videos. I hope you all had a great Christmas and New Year's. Let me know what you did. You know, let me know if you're able to do anything with COVID ruining your Christmas, I guess, or family time. Hopefully it didn't. But let me know what you did in the comments. And what's your resolutions? I'm not a big resolution guy, because let's face it, I would say 8 people out of 10 don't keep the resolution. I'm one of those 8. I'll say this and that, and I'll go big, and then I just kind of go home. So anyways, I'm back in the saddle, like I said, and I will see more. If you like what you see from my channel, go ahead and hit that like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike. It helps me out either way. Technically, it really does with the algorithm. But leave a comment and subscribe. Until next time, peace out, y'all.